Light and Building, everybody is talking about IoT solutions, lighting as a service, building management as a service. In order to allow those solutions to become smart, things need to become smart. And in order to become smart, they need data. Data is the raw oil for this new industry. We as EnOcean are positioned with our self-powered IoT solutions to generate this data, flexible installed sensors, for example, for lighting control solutions, measuring air quality, or measuring the utilization of buildings. Our solutions are wireless, flexible to install, easy to retrofit, and work on different radio standards such as Bluetooth, Zigbee, and EnOcean. Making those solutions maintenance-free, not needing any batteries, by using the energy of the environment is a big topic for the service operators. We at EnOcean help changing this industry with self-powered IoT solutions from products to services.